Best Robot Vacuums 2026. If you share your home with furry friends, you already know the daily battle. Pet hair everywhere. From carpets to hardwood floors, the constant shedding can feel like an endless chore until robot vacuums entered the game. In 2026, these smart cleaners have become true allies for pet owners, combining powerful suction, anti-tangle brush systems, and self-empty docks to keep up with even the most prolific shedders. In this roundup, we've rigorously tested the latest robot vacuums across multiple real-world pet hair scenarios, from dense dog fur on rugs to fine cat hair along baseboards. We judge them on performance, navigation, maintenance burden, and design. We've done the hard work to bring you the best options. But before we start, be sure to use our links for the latest discounts. Let's get started now. Number 5. Dreame Matrix 10 Ultra. The Dreame Matrix 10 Ultra is an advanced all-in-one cleaning robot designed to deliver a premium, completely hands-off cleaning experience, thanks to its intelligent systems and powerful hardware. It features a multi-mop switching dock that automatically swaps between different mop types to suit each room, preventing cross-contamination and ensuring the right cleaning method for every surface. Its integrated 3-solution compartment stores multiple cleaning liquids tailored for all floor types, helping your home stay fresh and pleasantly scented after every cleaning cycle. With exceptional obstacle handling capability, the Matrix 10 Ultra can clear 3.15-inch steps, tackle 1.65-inch vertical rises, move over balcony rails, and adapt to uneven floor transitions using dual retractable legs, a swing arm motor, and adaptive wheel control powered by FlexiAdapt technology. Its OmniSight system combines VersaLift navigation with smart 3D Adapt obstacle avoidance and LED-assisted mapping to intelligently identify and avoid more than 240 types of household objects in real time. Cleaning performance is equally impressive, featuring a massive 30,000 pascals Vormax suction system paired with a HyperStream Duo brush that handles everything from everyday dirt to stubborn hair tangles on both hard floors and carpets. The all-in-one power dock takes automation to the next level by handling mop switching, drying, water refilling, and self-cleaning using a 212 degrees Fahrenheit thermal hub system that sanitizes mop pads and prevents odors. Carpet cleaning is fully optimized with automatic carpet detection, stronger suction when needed, and mop lifting to keep rugs dry. For pet owners, the Matrix 10 Ultra includes pet care enhancements that reduce fur buildup, prevent odor retention, and simplify maintenance after messy outdoor adventures. And while it delivers cutting-edge smart home convenience, it connects only to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks for stable, reliable performance throughout your home. Number 4. Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is designed to deliver a truly hands-free cleaning experience, combining powerful vacuuming, advanced mopping, and a fully automated docking system that handles nearly everything for you. When correctly connected to its charging dock, the robot will display charging, but if the charging contacts are dirty or misaligned, the device may fail to charge properly, so regular cleaning of the dock and robot contacts is essential. Always ensure the charging cable is firmly pushed into the slot at the bottom of the dock for stable power supply. The robot may regenerate the map after spot cleaning or if it has been moved significantly, and if it finds the dock too far away, it may require manual placement back onto the base. To avoid navigation errors and docking issues, the robot should not be moved manually during cleaning. Mop washing, drying, water refilling, and dust emptying all occur automatically, as long as the robot begins its cleaning cycle from the dock. For Wi-Fi connectivity, the S8 Pro Ultra supports only 2.4 GHz networks, so users with dual-band routers should connect the robot to the 2.4 GHz band for stable performance. Its all-in-one dock washes and dries the mop to prevent odor, empties the dust bin into a large dust bag that can last up to 7 weeks, cleans itself, and even refills the water tank, allowing the robot to mop areas up to 3,230 square feet, 300 square meters. The dual rubber brush system reduces tangles, while the strong 6,000 pascal suction captures debris from hard floors and carpets, with adjustable suction levels available through the app. The upgraded Vibrorise 2.0 mopping system increases scrubbing coverage with dual vibration zones, delivering 3,000 scrubs per minute and 6 in pressure for deep cleaning, with adjustable water flow modes to enhance performance on various floor types. Number 3. Ecovacs Deebot T30S Combo. The Ecovacs Deebot T30S Combo is a powerful all-in-one cleaning solution designed for users who want effortless, automated home care without compromise. It combines a high-performance robot vacuum with a versatile handheld vacuum, both supported by a smart, space-saving docking station that handles auto-emptying, 158 degrees Fahrenheit hot water mop washing, hot air drying, and automatic water refilling, ensuring both machines are always ready for the next cleaning session. With an incredible 11,000 Pascal suction power driven by advanced airflow engineering, the T30S delivers deep cleaning on carpets, hard floors, and stubborn debris with ease. Its TrueEdge adaptive edge mopping system uses a hovering arm and intelligent algorithms to clean within 1 millimeter of edges and corners, achieving nearly 99% coverage in normally neglected areas. Dual Zero Tangle technology prevents hair wrap on both the robot's main brush and the handheld vacuum, making it ideal for homes with pets or long hair while drastically reducing maintenance. Navigation is equally advanced, thanks to TrueDetect 3D 3.0 obstacle recognition and TrueMapping 2.0 fast mapping, giving the T30S the ability to move smoothly around furniture and complex layouts without getting stuck. Control is simple and flexible. You can activate cleaning with voice commands, OKYKO, a quick foot tap, or through your Apple Watch, smartphone widgets, and Dynamic Island, with Alexa support included for hands-free operation. From floor to furniture, edges to open spaces, the Deebot T30S Combo delivers a complete, intelligent, and hassle-free cleaning experience that keeps your home spotless with minimal effort on your part. Number 2. Roborock Qrevo S. The Roborock Qrevo S is engineered to deliver a truly premium, automated home cleaning experience, starting with its powerful 8,000 Pascals hyperforce suction that lifts embedded dirt, stubborn debris, and pet hair from carpets, rugs, and hard-to-reach corners with impressive ease. Its advanced all-in-one docking station adds unmatched convenience by automatically emptying dust into a sealed 2.7L bag that lasts up to 7 to 9 weeks, refilling the water tank with a generous 4L capacity that covers up to 3,552 square feet, and thoroughly washing and drying the mopping pads so the robot is always clean, fresh, and ready for its next run. The upgraded tangle-free brush system features an SGS-certified asymmetrical side brush with a 0% hair tangling rate alongside a full rubber spiral main brush that prevents wrapping, making it ideal for homes with pets. With reactive tech obstacle avoidance, the robot intelligently detects and avoids everyday items like cables, shoes, and furniture, while also identifying no-go zones such as stairs or tight spaces to prevent drops or getting stuck. For deeper floor care, the Qrevo S uses dual spinning mops that rotate at 200 revolutions per minute and offer 30 adjustable water levels, providing tailored cleaning for hardwood, tile, and more. The 10mm mop lifting feature ensures carpets stay dry by raising the pads when transitioning onto low-pile surfaces. Powered by precise-sense LiDAR navigation, the robot scans 360 degrees in real time to create accurate maps, support efficient path planning, and store up to 4 multi-floor layouts. The Roborock app enhances the experience with custom routes, scheduling, child lock settings, map management, device monitoring, and support for watches, widgets, and third-party voice assistants. Note that Wi-Fi support is limited to 2.4 GHz networks, and the device operates on 120V power, with optimal performance achieved using the official Roborock cleaning solution. Number 1. Dreame L50 Ultra. The Dreame L50 Ultra redefines home cleaning with its seamless navigation and intelligent, hands-free operation, making vacuuming and mopping more efficient than ever. Equipped with the Pro Leap system, this robot effortlessly crosses door thresholds and small steps by extending its retractable legs up to 6 centimeters, ensuring smooth gliding without getting stuck or interrupted. Its advanced AI-powered path planning, combined with 3D structured light sensors, allows the L50 Ultra to recognize and avoid more than 180 types of obstacles, from shoes and furniture to tangled cables, delivering precise and collision-free navigation throughout your home. Hair removal is no longer a hassle thanks to the Hyperstream Detangling Duo Brush, which features a combination of bristled and TPU rubber brushes to effectively pick up hair from carpets and hard floors while preventing tangles, maintaining optimal suction, and ensuring consistent cleaning performance. The 6th-generation Turbo Force high-speed motor, paired with an impressive 19,500 pascals Vormax suction power, enables the L50 Ultra to capture everything from fine dust particles to larger debris, even deep within floor gaps and carpets, all while operating quietly for a comfortable, unobtrusive cleaning experience. Dual Flex Arm technology ensures that corners, edges, and narrow spaces are cleaned thoroughly, with extendable side brushes and mopping functions reaching under low-profile furniture where dirt often hides. The all-in-one power dock enhances convenience by automatically emptying the dustbin for up to 100 days, washing and drying mop pads, refilling cleaning solution and water, and even self-maintaining its board, creating a truly hands-free post-cleaning routine. The Dreame Home app provides tailored carpet cleaning strategies with 5 customizable modes, including removable or liftable mops, carpet avoidance, intensive double vacuuming, and suction boost, allowing you to adjust the cleaning approach for low pile, high pile, or delicate carpets. In every aspect, the L50 Ultra combines intelligent technology, superior suction, and unmatched convenience to deliver a comprehensive, effortless, and highly effective home cleaning experience. That wraps up today's session, everyone. We hope the information shared was useful and gave you valuable insights. If you found it helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates and tips. Stay safe, stay motivated, and keep moving forward every day.